Oh, hello guys, it's Anshjelm. Welcome to Anshjelm Restoration channel. I've got a new bed. This is very cozy one. I extremely like this pillow because it's so soft. Oh yeah. Yes. Now that I have this new bed in here and I have my office and studio and I have this workshop, I can move here and stay here forever. No need to go back home anymore. But okay. What we are going to do in this episode is that light concrete brick wall to the balcony, which I already told you about in the 2 episodes ago, I think. I have to first seal these light concrete blocks because these are dusty and they drop sand and concrete everywhere, all over. So I need to use some dust sealant before I can do that wall in that studio. So let's start seal some concrete bricks. Okay, so it's time to seal these concrete bricks, and I'm going to use this Finnish product Supi saunasuoja, which we usually use to seal lots of different things. But that's that, not anyway sponsored, by the way. Why I am sealing these using this product? Because as you can see, if I little bit scrape, there will be tons of sand and dust all over, and I don't want that into my studio room. So I wipe all of these 20 light concrete blocks with that product. If you are wondering, is this the setup how I'm going to do things in the future? No, this is only spot which is not full of stuff at the moment, so that's why I am doing it from here. Everything will be different in the future, but now I'm just building this workshop. Did you know this? New lights! Woo! Electrician has done its job and I have all of my lights. Only thing left is this. When I've done this low wall or wall, yeah, it's going to be like 80 centimeters high behind the studio room. I put them that way. Can you see all that dust? Yeah. The blocks will be that way, and I do some carving or cutting place for the LED stripe. So this LED stripe will be something like this, and the light will come upwards from that wall. That's the vision. Now let's start doing this thing. I'm a little bit out of breath because I just carried all those 20 bricks here, and here is the one. As you can see, when I'm moving this and just like this, the dust isn't dropped from these bricks as they had before I sealed these, so good job me, yeah. There is my beautiful abstract guidance planks, and the laser tells me where the center of the wall is. So yeah, these lumbers guides me when I start putting the bricks there and building the wall. The distance from the drywall is same every place. So yeah, let's start this building process. now this brick decoration is ready. How do you guys like it? Actually, I'm not 100% sure what I am thinking about it at this point, but I think the whiskey barrel made some good twist for the picture, and of course when the LED light is going to be here and lighting the back wall like with blue or purple or red or green, anything, maybe then it's different, but at this point I am not 100% sure what I'm thinking about that. Tell me in the comments what you think about that. And by the way, when that's done, next thing is put some acoustic panels to the walls and the ceiling. And I want to mention that, actually, can you see it? Yes, you can see it. So these, I'm going to paint those electric plugs so they won't pop from that wall so much. But yeah, what we are going to do next is that we are going to paint some acoustic panels and cover some with some fabrics and put them on their places. So let's continue. Okay, I have already prepared this set here, and what we are going to do, we are going to paint these acoustic panels with this indoor paint, which actually is the same paint I use painting those studio rooms walls. I'm going to paint these with 6 different colors. I am kind of into those 70s supergraphics, and I found some inspiration from those. As you have seen in my Instagram page, I have already published the picture how these are going to be. These are not going to be with that exact color because I used the RAL color map and they are not exactly the same, but I tried to get as close as I could. Let's start painting these bad boys. So here we go. Okay, and the paint is dry, and now let's start putting these acoustic panels on that wall. And I would say these turned pretty good, I would say, and I definitely got some supergraphic vibes as I am trying to get. Let's put those pieces on that wall. Booyah! There's them! Oh yes, this looks cool, don't you think? Yes, at least I am very pleased how this looks. I planned it and I delivered. I'm happy. Yes! I don't know, can you see the difference, but at least I feel the difference in this room. Hope it will deliver there also. But of course, when you paint acoustic panels, the acoustic properties The acoustic properties deteriorates. So yeah, that's that, but those are most for the looks. And now we are going to prepare the panels for the ceiling. I am going to glue some canvas on the acoustic panels which goes on the ceiling. So let's start making those panels! And that was the last one. And we have come to an end of the studio room episode. Colored panels inspired by supergraphics are on the wall. Canvas acoustic panels on the ceiling. I also bought a television for this room, so I can even take it from the wall and put it like that, and when I am filming I can see what I am doing on the camera. That's a very good thing. I also bought these two armchairs from the second-hand store, so they were only 25 euros each, and they even have a mechanism so I can chill here and watch the television if I like. That's a very good thing. And what we still have to do is maybe put some curtain for that door hole, because my voice echoes a bit to that workshop side. And I also need that mesh wirings in that back wall and the LED stripes. And I need a new table, but this is starting to be pretty good. I am happy. What you guys think? Tell me in the comments. Do you like that super graphic wall decoration, or the cement wall, or the whiskey barrel, or anything, or would you have done everything differently? Tell me in the comments. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like buttons and even hit the bell button for notification and subscribe. Find me from Instagram and Facebook. It's Anshjelm Restoration. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next episode. Anshjelm out.